So
The trees sparkling. What? Sorry. Look
we
at the
found
trees sparkling.
the trees are sparkling. We found our spot for Wishes and Once Upon a Time, and it's okay. It's pretty okay. Not gonna lie. It could.
We've been in worse places.
It could be better. It could be better.
I don't think it could. This is pretty great.
Yeah, this is pretty good. Look at Main Street. Disney After Dark, baby. Just another world.
They have the power to make a wish come true. We must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, starlight, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have a wish and wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true.
See what little wishing can do? Suddenly, there's a star that's glowing brighter anywhere you are. Once upon a time, you made your own song. No matter how you read or any way you said, you'll never sing it wrong. Turn the page, make a wish and I'll give
So, Wishes, second to last time seeing it ever. Sad day.
So beautiful.
So pretty.
So pretty.
And what is it? Once Upon a Time. You liked it better than?
I liked it better than Celebrate the Magic.
Yeah.
I like the song in Celebrate the Magic a lot better. Maybe that's why I liked it so much. But yeah, the show was really good.
I definitely did not tear up during the Beauty and the Beast part. I definitely didn't. So I'm lying a lot.
Yeah.
It was really cool. It was really well done. But People Movers closed for extra magic hours, which is dumb.
Yeah, I didn't realize that. So
Friday. So we're gonna do Astro Orbiter. Somewhere there's a sign there, and I don't know. We'll see.
Go from there. No, we're just gonna kind of wing it. So.
It'll be fun. I don't want to.
I please do. There we go.
Yeah, going pretty fast.
I know, look at that. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Like, there you go.
Gotta crank it. Whoa! Whoa!
Try to get up and run. Straight line as fast as you can. Alright.
That was
Sorry
fun.
for any motion sickness we just caused anyone.
I'm not sorry.
Oh, we didn't get the photo pass on the way out. Look for.
What? Oh yeah, we're killing it. We are killing it.
Great big rock fell on his head.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a line. This is not a line. Everyone fill in all the spaces right up to the end of the
With priceless first positions, only ghost stories and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers.
Alright, so we were talking about this earlier. There's like a story, alleged story to Haunted Mansion that, you know, you're on a tour and, you know, the ghost host is telling you, and he says, you know, now that you have this chilling challenge, this room has no windows and no doors, you have to find a way out, and there's always my way.
And then,
So,
well, then there's the thunderclap, and it shows the guy hanging from the sky.
right. So, his way is obviously killing himself and becoming a ghost, and that's how he became the ghost host. So, you have to now get out somehow. So, the question is, do you become a ghost after getting out of that room? Which is what you think, right?
I think you kill yourself in the room. The whole ride is you as a ghost. Like, you going through the entire ride is you being a ghost escaping the mansion. Like, after you die in that original room. That's what I.
Or becoming part of the mansion, becoming one of the, you know,
Sure, right.
the 1,000th happy haunt.
Either way, I think like.
Okay, yeah. You
Yeah,
think
I think you become a ghost like right away.
Okay. I think you become a ghost when you go backwards down the hill. Like, you come down backwards and you're like, you know, after you see the bride and stuff, you go backwards down into the graveyard and there's a party, which I think is like a celebration that you're now a ghost. You jumped off the balcony. And
But the thing is, you see the dinner, and he says like, well, now that
you have to sympathize. He just says you have to sympathize with
Right.
the
He
ghost.
says now that we feel your good vibrations, like join us for a party long before
But
that.
he says like they sense, you know, your sympathies, or you sympathize, and
Right.
I've begun to materialize or whatever.
The ghosts have begun to materialize,
Right.
not you.
You.
No.
Right. So now you are now starting to see the ghosts. And then, you know, you die and then you become a ghost and then there's the party in the graveyard. That's my thought.
Henry Inglewood. Thumbnail with 100 Acre Wood. Gathered together to say,
You spin all 7 barrels, Snow White pops up. Yeah. Go, go, go! Get that last one. Go, 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 go! Hey!
thank you and good night.
So long, everybody. See you real soon.
That's it for our Magic Kingdom day. Day 1 of Magic Kingdom over.
I know. I love it.
Magic Kingdom.
It's my favorite park.
It is. It's the greatest park. It's always going to be #1. Never be topped. Look at how pretty this is. Wow. And there's a photo pass guy. Let's get that photo pass. Oh.
I wonder if they're still taking pictures.
What?
I wonder if they're still taking pictures.
Oh, maybe not. He just took it off. He's talking to him. Let's try. Oh, look at how pretty Main Street is. We're really closing out the park. Really pushing it to the limit. It's
This is the best.
it's like 11:45.
Yeah, you're gonna eat it.
It's so pretty. But
Just like looking around.
Yeah, I
Just
know.
taking it in.
might as well sign off now because we're not going to do anything else exciting except
Go
walk
to
to
bed.
the bus and go to bed.
I mean, be fun.
Super exciting, you know. Yeah, that's it for day 3. Make sure, or day 4, I guess, depending on how you look at it. Make sure to like and subscribe, Give us some comments. What you liked, what you didn't like, what you hated.
Alright.
I don't know. We're out. We're tired.
Pull it together.